So now we are done with the main.java for server side as well. Let's run the program. I know it will give some error because we haven't fixed the bug on our server thread.java. So let's just see what are the errors in here. So okay, was equals to exit. Okay, I forgot to bracket in here. Looks like. All right, I'll just fix this error and okay, the errors are now gone. Fully to run now. Let's try to run it now. Let's compile it. Okay, there is still error. So looks like I haven't inputted array list. Okay, still have the VS Code should have told me, but it, alright, I'll import it manually maybe. Okay, so it is in server thread file. Okay, alright, so I'll just import array list manually here in Java the tutorial.arraylist. Okay, down. This is let's run program again. So still there is error, so I haven't imported that on our main.java file too. Okay, just import it in here too. Okay, hopefully. Okay, let's see. So still okay, I haven't imported the socket class as well. All right, socket. Okay, let me see now. Damn, a lot of errors. Sorry for this one, guys. Hopefully they all are fixed with this last error. I'll just okay, so buffer error. All right. So okay, so all our errors are fixed. Let's run the server application in here. So let's just leave this here for now. So our server application is running currently. So let me now run the client application. Okay, yeah, it's client application was successfully compiled. So I'll just put my name in here and send in message, and I'll open a new terminal and send a message from here. Right, so where's server, and then let's run the program into okay, I'll type in my email. Okay, so let's write a message in here. Email. Okay, and let's see, let's write something in here. Email. Yeah, okay, the message was received successfully. This is exit. Okay, Alright, so this was all, guys. Hopefully this video was useful for you to implement client multi-client server chat application. Alright, thank you for watching.